Hello guys, today I have received my new pet hair remover. I think it's really cute and let's try it. Well, first I'm going to open it. Okay, you can see here the user manual. Okay, it comes with the scraper that it says that can effectively remove the wool ball such as woolen, sweater, and cloth, and suit, fabric, and okay, like a lot of things. The product is like modern and simple. So here's the product details. So let's go into try it. Okay, it comes with, I think it has 4. It's the first one. Okay, the second one, it's like this. Then we have this one that it's like this in this part, and then we have the last one that it's this one. Okay, so I think I will try this too. Okay, I have here my sofa. So I really have a dog that it's like very with a lot of hair. So I'm going to try it and let's see how it works. Okay guys, so I have you here in my sofa. So I think I'm going to pass these two, one from one side and one from the other, and I'm going to see how much it takes. Okay, so I'm going to pass it from there to there like this. Okay, wow, okay, that's too much. Like you can see there's like a lot of hairs. Okay, there you can see it. Okay, and then from this one it has a lot, but I think in that part it contains more. This one also, and this side you can, let me show you. Okay, there it has like a lot of hairs. So I think it's really good. I think if you had like a dog with a lot of hair, I think it will be perfect. The problem is that my dog has a lot of hair, but it has like not too big. So if you had a dog with a long hair, it will be perfect. And also because it contains 2 more, so I really like it.